Oh, Brian, what do you say?
Well, she worked out just the way we wanted to.
Yeah, double header.
8 o'clock.
Double
8
header.
o'clock opening day.
Look at that.
2 birds. It was a lucky dime.
You got it. It was the lucky dime we found.
Worth the trip to Tay Township. Oh, that worked out wicked.
Look at this guy. That's the girl.
This girl, she's got a nice fan.
Look at the nice fan.
Beauty wings.
Look at that.
Very nice. Very nice.
Look at yours there. Nice hen.
Yeah. Yeah, a couple of nice girls there. Apparently. Look at that.
Isn't that beautiful?
That is beautiful.
Gorgeous.
That worked out just the way we hoped. There's the piece of weaponry right there that did the job.
Double header.
Double header. Come out right here. And here's where we were. Right there. And they put on a show.
Sure did.
Yeah. Made some nice calls for us. And the whole 9 yards. Look at that.
How does that for a double header?
Can't beat that.